motivated than ever to stop Bear Bennett and get another title shot.
Is determined to take whatever his opponent dishes out at heavyweight division. Know that the Bear has arrived.
Motivated than ever to stop Bear Bennett.
Vera takes on Bear Bennett.
These fighter walkouts brought to you by Milwaukee, Wisconsin, the current heavyweight champ in the cage.
First opponent in the UFC Jiu-Jitsu. He's in breaking coach as well, so he's a busy man. And if he wasn't already busy, here he is, making his Power Slap debut.
He's gonna break Russell's jaw. Kainoa Rivera is back. He won a title when he knocked out AJ Hintz.
To him this week, he told me he has only one thing on his mind heading into the choose to prevent those steps. That's just staying true to himself. He does not know any other way.
Full power. You take one look at him, control his slaps, you know what I mean? And last time,
The tape. It's our first match.
Ladies and gentlemen, the power is on! Welcome, Fight Mecca, Las Vegas, Nevada, to the Power Slap Arena inside the UFC Apex Power Slap Light Heavyweight Division. Bear Bennett, Russell Kainoa Rivera.
Of power slap matches.
some of the biggest power. For Bear Bennett, this is a daunting situation.
A little bit. Going to be interesting to see if his focus on not fouling means a lack of power.
See, look at that.
Go
That's it.
down.
I mean, Bear's down. I mean, he's staying down. A foul.
Foul.
There we go.
Yeah.
Every time.
Easy. Still kind of wobbly on the feet.
Here's a look. Look at this. With the step.
Ooh.
Slow-mos. It looks like people's faces are made of Play-Doh.
Here we go, contestants.
So looks like
Right
he's just
on
dying.
three, that's
Come
your
on,
measure.
hit me. More than that.
Two.
Oh, he's got more than that.
Two.
Oh, he said he's got the special technique.
Covered.
Or win that round.
Yeah, well, Rivera.
You deep dive into this all the time. You do a great job.
That's what our producer just told me.
One.
She just told me.
One. Foul, flinching.
How is
Flinching.
he still on his feet? I'll be honest. Out of everyone I've seen, what he's doing. Here we go. That's it. It's all what he's doing. Here we go. That's it.
One, three,
Fast asleep.
4.
Counting. He can't hear a damn thing.
Sledgehammer.
Oh, good.
Unleash the beast.
Oh, the amount of power that he generates is vibrating and blah, 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 blubbling. Not bad enough getting knocked out, cold,
Right there.
TV.
Boom.
Catch him.
A knockout. Whoa!